Box cutter. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, mainly because Adams right now has a deal going on with their mystery cart. And I ordered a mystery cart a couple months ago and I just haven't had the time to open it. So now I feel like it's a good time. So here is the cart and here is the chemicals. So let's find out. We're gonna start with the chemicals. So when you order the mystery cart, ideally, basically, you're doing the mystery cart because you want the cart, and the bonus side is the chemicals. That's this utility pack. Nice. Oh, what? What is this? That's two. You know what? You can ignore this because I ordered that. Scratch that. Let's start over. Here we go. These are the chemicals. Look at that. I get a nice waterless wash towel. It will never get used. Tough glass towel. I should say that again. Won't get used. And their borderless gray towel. So, okay. Waterless wash. And H2O garden gloss. Not bad. The endless amount of sprayers that will, honestly, I have a bucket up there full of sprayers. And then the leather interior cleaner. And glass cleaner. That's all right. That's not bad. Not what I would want, but again, I'm not buying this mystery cart for the chemicals. That's just because that's only a bonus. I'm buying it for the cart. So if you buy this and you're expecting to get specific chemicals, you are going to be disappointed. Just buy the chemicals. That's not what the mystery cart is. Or the mystery. The whole idea of the mystery. Here we go. Now the box in this is a little flimsy, so I don't know what to expect. I've seen people kind of complain about the shipping of like the signs. If you guys remember, signs showed up bent. If you got the little Adams bench, that was a nightmare, I would say. But this is one of the things, one of the shelves, I would say, part of the cart. Very cool. Let's get that out of the way. Another shelf. And here's the equipment. Very cool. And the other shelf. So I'm assuming the instructions are gonna be in here. Let's get out of the way. And there was another box that came with it. It's right here, this big box. I thought this box was my towels. That's why I kind of put it off to the side. Let that be a bonus. Let's open this box. All right. Instructions. Very nice. And we got their little logo on it. The caster wheels. More plastic stuff. Screws, bolts, and what puts together that whole thing. All right. So according to the instructions, I need a mallet, and this is gonna be opened first. Now, I don't know if you wanna see me put this together. If you do, then thanks for sticking around. I don't know how easy, how difficult it's gonna be to put this together. I feel like I'm a competent person, and I put IKEA furniture together by myself. Pretty easy. And if you've purchased things from IKEA, you know that can be kind of difficult in its own right. But not all of them. Some stuff's pretty easy. But here we go. Oh, let me see if I can bring that up. Let's show you. Okay. You see right there in the hole? There's still a gap. I don't know if you can see that. No, grab it. So that needs to go in deeper. Yep. There's a magnetic top. Oh, okay. So bam. Really quickly, you see this? This is a magnet. That goes on the top. All the other stuff doesn't. It's just, I didn't even see that. Instructions. Interesting. All right. All right, here we go. Line it up. And in. I don't like that the edges of the tubes are kind of sharp, so they've been kind of digging into the plastic. But maybe that's a good thing, because it's helping it stay. This one's not even going in. I made it go in. Oh, there we go. See, again, those sides are really sharp. They're just digging into the plastic. All right, last section. Now in the instructions, it really wants you to keep like this, these three things in the same side. I wonder if it matters, but just for the sake of doing it by the book, what I'm looking at here is these holes. You can tell this is pretty light, because I'm assuming I want to take those screws and kind of drill them in there. But that's what I'm checking to make sure they're all the way up there. I'm thinking this is pretty good. I don't want to just beat it to death. Is it leveled? Pretty leveled. So nothing, yeah, that's pretty good. Nothing is wobbly or anything. It's actually pretty nice so far. Happy, 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 happy. So these end caps here have these little rivets. I'm way too close, but There you go. The screws have to line up with that. Here's what I'm looking at, I guess, so you can kind of see those red things are just the dividers, and those are the casters. So I was kind of looking at this, trying to figure out, okay, what should I do next? I'm thinking I'm just gonna do these little red things that go right there on the edge. Okay, done with that. It's pretty neat so far. It's coming along. Next is doing the little screw. Here we go. Like right in the box. I wasn't even trying. I was just trying to look really cool. Hopefully that was dope. Here we go. I'm not gonna do that by hand. That's gonna take forever. No, 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 no. Exactly what my son says. No, 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 no. I'm curious if this box right here has more of the chemicals, because I feel like the 4 is not enough. I'm thinking that that's just not enough for a mystery cart. But again, I bought this on sale with the, you know, Adams always has a mystery whatever, and they always have a sale, like a coupon to go along with it. So I feel like I got a pretty good price. And again, I cannot stress enough that you don't do mystery boxes for chemicals because you want something. You just do it for the fun of it, see what you get. Like, I would have never bought that waterless wash. I'll give it a shot, see if I like it. Most likely I won't, because I really like O&R. So here we go. All right. So now that we have everything back where it needs to go, I'll leave that. Let's find out about this box real quick. And you know what? You know what? Let's use it now. There we go. Am I a big Adams fan? I like their products. Let's make sure I'm in the shop. Box opener. I'm actually kind of excited. I'm curious to what I'm going to get. I bet it's just my towels. I don't know. Because there we go. Okay, I think this is gonna be cool. No. Not that cool. It's just one of these. But that's cool, I guess. Couple mints. Do you guys have these mints? I'm gonna sell them. 200 bucks a pop. Ooh. 15% off code. It's pretty neat. I've actually been wanting one of these, but not an Adams one. That's just one in a milk crate. But that's cool. And there it is, guys. Thank you for stopping by, I guess, checking out this video. Different garage, by the way. Different lights, everything. New house, same cars, but new garage and all that. So if you have questions this year, I need to show you this. Oh, I need to show you. Let me undo all this right here. Oh, you see this? I am going to be putting up, this is these got wet. My chemical got on them and they made these labels come off. Anyways, this is the hydro soap, whatever chemical guys has this, but I'm gonna try this Hydro Charge, the ceramic spray, against the Adams ceramic spray. And we're gonna duel it out, see which one works. I have the old one. I have like generation 1 when they have the bottle that still looks like this. So I'm gonna buy a new one. I'm just gonna start from scratch because I just bought this like maybe a couple months ago as well when I bought the kit. So we're gonna duel it out. We're gonna find out which one's the best out of the two. But yes, coupon. They always have 15% off, so don't look at my info. Here's a cart, milk crate. Anyways, cool. Thanks for stopping by.